Look how slow he's going down that ramp. I know, it's like he can't even do it properly. That's so funny. I'm having a 2-day sleepover with Nova because my parents and my little brother are in Maine to see Charles's family to get all of our Christmas gifts and stuff. I had the option to go, but I already went in December earlier, so I didn't really feel like it again. So when I have the option to sleep over with Nova, of course I picked sleepover with Nova. And plus, they get to spend all that time with Grandma and Grandpa. It's gonna be really, really fun for them. But the pro is that it's snowing here. And usually it doesn't really snow, but I guess it's just cold enough too, but hopefully it just remains this way. Ezra? Ezra? No. Oh, hi, Mom. You fell asleep on your dinosaur? Yeah, I did. Well, then let's go ahead and get you in bed because, it's not good whenever it's cold and you're just out. That's not good. Have you seen your sleeping bag? I'm not sure where it is. I think it might be in the wash. You're right, I did wash that. Go ahead. Just go ahead and lay down. Okay, let's put the cover over you. I need to call Jin. I'm not sure where he is. Hello? Jin, are you okay? Well, we actually have been trapped in for the snowstorm, so I probably won't be home until later. Do you know when they're gonna let you guys go? No, I'm not sure actually, because they kept us in, but we still have patients who are in here trapped. People still do those 9 o'clock appointments. Yes, it sucks to get their braces tightened or a color switch before they go to a party or something like that. Okay, well, I was just checking on you, making sure you're okay. I'm perfectly fine. Okay, bye. I love you. Love you too. Okay. Did it get darker? Oh no, I think the power turned off. Let me go check out the girls upstairs. What the heck? No way. I think the power turned off. Mom. Wait, that means the elevator's not working. Wait, that's right, because it's powered by the electricity. Mom? Girls, can you hear me? Yes, Mom. Okay, what I need you to do you have something that could probably bear open the doors? Because I can't get Ezra, he's in his room. And I'm trapped in the elevator. Let's think. Hold on, let me put my food down. Let's see, is there anything in here that would possibly work? Let me try this squeaky toy. Navy, are you actually stupid? A squeaky toy. It could try and fit, but it's not. Yeah, I know that's not gonna work. Mom, are you able to get the doors open a little bit? A little bit, just not a lot, but... Okay, this ruler. Use the ruler. Okay. I could get it out of here. Okay. I got it. Come on, Navy. Oh my gosh. Navy, here's your lifesaver. Thanks. First she used the sausage, then she used her braid and used the ruler. So how are we gonna go get Ezra? We don't have any stairs in this house, so we can't go down and get him. I bet he's terrified, but he's asleep, so he won't know anything. I got in contact with Jin. Let me go ahead and call your mom and see if everything's okay over there, and just let her know. Okay. Hello? Hey, just letting you know there's a snowstorm here. Oh my god, Navy, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine, Mom. Don't worry about me. How's everything in Maine? Well, it was just snowing here, but there's no storm. It's raining now. Oh, okay. We don't know how to go and get Ezra because the power's off. Oh, and the elevator is down electrically. Oh, okay. Oh, that's not good. I'm thinking if Jin came in the house, he wouldn't be able to get upstairs. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna have to wait it out. Yeah, but I'm up there with them now, so. Okay, great. Just call me if you guys need me to do anything. That is true, but I don't think there's really much you guys can do anyways. You guys are so far. That's true. Well, have a good night. You too. I guess you guys could just go to sleep. That is an option. It is. Okay, yeah, there's really nothing else we can do. And I'm getting pretty tired anyways, but I haven't even had my nightly shower. It's gonna be okay, Nova. I know, but I don't like to be smelly. Okay, I'll sleep over here in one of these beds. Mom, you can sleep in my bed if you want. Oh, no, that's okay, honey. I'll just wait for the power to turn back on. Okay. It's okay, Lily. I'm glad Lily was up here and not outside. Then we wouldn't be able to reach her. Yeah, but where's my... Whoa, the TV's back on. Whoa. Is the power back on? I gotta go get Ezra. Bye, guys. Well, does this mean we stay up and watch the Scream 2? Or we go to bed? I'd say we call it quits for the night. Yeah. You can come sleep in my bed just in case. Then we won't be separated from each other. That's a good idea. Just don't look at the mess in here.